Hey everybody, I just want to do a somewhat of a quick video and let you know what's going on here, and bear with me a second. I promised you I would let you know what was going on. And I was doing a magazine build off for the all-time lows video. All-time lows build off. Well, I'm happy to say that I'm finally able to post it. And what I did was I did the Fujimi astro van. And well, let's see what I did with it. There it is. Hopefully you guys like it. Made a frame. It is 16 colors. It's 16 colors. 6 colors of pinstripes. And then 3 colors of pearl on top of it. Each section of the be quiet, Sheba. The colors when it's offset. This is the different color pearl. The center is a different color pearl, and the green is a different color pearl. I really pushed my limits on this. It has an LS9. I took the Cadillac Foose seats and it made a mold of them, and so it has the Foose Cadillac seats. Made a center console, has resin, 5 resin subs. 3 resin amplifiers that are floating, so they're at an angle. Now let's stay up here. Go down on the floor. Everything's shaved except the taillights. And after I did the bumper, I should have shaved the front bumper. I didn't think about it. Has a roll pan. Has a suicide hood. The interior is pretty much stock. The center console has puzzle pieces that I did on a laser cutter with FBS tape. It has candy colors, pearls, metallics. The pinstripes are slash done. They're solid. The wheels are ashomia wheels, cut down, narrow in the front and really wide in the back. But I just wanted to give you what I've been up to the last few months now that I can actually post it. Let's show you what's going on with everything. The yellow is chrome yellow, and it has tangerine stripes through it that are kind of fogged through it. This is House of Color Blood Red. This is House of Color Strato Blue, and it's kind of faded through. And then it's kind of, I left it open, kind of faded through it. The tips are and on this it has a Tangelo pearl mixed in with it. And then this has Tangelo candy striped through it. On the black and white, it has violet pearl. And then the pinstripes is this green pearl on some of it. Some of it's purple. Some of it's blue. On the puzzle pieces, it's blue base and peach base. And then it's black base. I pulled some of them up and give it so it has the shadow of the black. And then the pinstriping is Toyota raspberry. And then this side is it's Plymouth lime. The flames are Toyota bamboo. And it's outside. It's pinstriped with I'm sorry, it's Lexus bamboo, and it's outlined with like a blue pearl. This pinstripe is the yellow, the crumb yellow, and through here is this black and white base, and then through here it's blue candy, and then purple candy. And then through back here, I did rust scene, and this is root beer candy and black candy. That's about it of it. I hope you guys like it. It was a fun project, and had a lot of fun doing it, and just hopefully you guys liked it. On the nose of it, there's green candy and stripes. I didn't mix it real dark, but you can barely see it on the camera, but it's there. Yeah, you almost have to get on top of it to see it. But yeah, I had a real good time building it, and hopefully you guys... If I get to a show, hopefully you guys can see it in person. It's really spectacular up in person. So hopefully you guys enjoy it. And we're on to the next projects. And hopefully you guys liked it.